Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about what exactly is elif statement and how to implement it in Python. So without further ado, let's get started with it. Now let's try to understand how exactly we can use elif in Python with the help of an example. And to do that, let's open VS Code. And over here, let's create a new file and give it the name as grading.py. Now let's write a program. Let me write the program first so that it cuts the time. And once I write the program and run it, then we can understand the logic part of it. In this program, you can see we have a variable named marks, which has been initially assigned a value of 74. Now when the program reaches at line number 2, then over there it will check if marks is greater than or equal to 90. And here in this case we can see that it's false. So instead of moving on to line number 3, the program flow will go to line number 4. Now again, since here it's not just the normal else condition, it's the else if. So it will check if marks is greater than or equal to 80 and it's less than 90. So again it turns out to be false because the marks is 74. Now again, instead of moving on to the next line, it will move to our line number 6, and over here again the else elif condition, which is else if talking about it particularly, then that's the condition. So over here it will check if the condition satisfies or not. So as per our marks value, which is 74, this condition is true, and hence the flow will move to line number 7 because it was true, and a will get printed. So this is how elif's flow happens in Python and how we can use elif. So this was all about elif in Python. I hope you understood the concepts very well. In the next video, we are going to see what is nested if and how we can use it in our programs in Python. Thank you.